This is Kingsley Diagnostics, and here with me is a 2008/2009 Lexus GS 350. What I'm working on right now is that I'm working on the high voltage fuse junction block. This is called a fuse box. This is locally called a fuse box. You see, this one now carries it carries so many relays. These ones are relays. These are ash color and green color and purple color. They are relays, and it also carries some fuses. Then it also carries some high voltage fuses here too. So this car, the customer complained previously before now that this car did not start. It like nothing came on. What's it called? The ignition did not come on. There were no lights on the dashboard. The car refused to start. So when I got here, I found out that some technicians has done some work already. Money, sir. Some technicians have already done some work already, trying to see how they can get this anti-lock brake fuse intact. You see, the anti-lock brake fuse is the reason why this car refuses to start. So now, from what you are observing now, see, I've taken off the whole fuse box compartment, trying to see how I can use another alternative to convert it instead of the customer to replace it. So now, this is my findings. With this fuse, this car will get to start. Instead of using these wires, because these wires have low resistance to withstand the voltage. Look at the wire that they powered with those wires. This one, see, this is so big. So if I put my test light, you see that it will light, meaning it requires voltage for it to power the car. So if I'm able to fix it, meaning the car will start. So this working process goes like this. You first of all find a way to get rid of this wire first. Get it out of this pot like this. This plate is disturbing me. I have to take off this plate. This first. Start it. See? Take it off. Now we can see it clearly. See? So we lose this one. I'll lose this one. I'll lose this one. Like this. Yeah, so we are using the 10 millimeter.